As the bus approaches, it has an automated voice that tells me where it's headed. I walk up onto the bus. I pay with my bus card. He tells me there's a seat behind him. I sit down. The bus driver asks me where I'm going, and I tell him. I deleted the audio because I didn't feel that it was right to put his voice in without asking him. Thank you. If you're blind or visually impaired, don't be afraid. You can take the bus. With some orientation and mobility skills, you can do lots of things that are fun. Take the bus to the park or to the store. Lots of places you can go. If you have questions, if you're not sure where your stop is, if your bus has automated bus stop announcements but doesn't give your exact bus stop, make sure to ask the stop before or even two. There's no shame in that, and most bus drivers are kind and will help you out. If you're not sure when you go to get off the bus, make sure you ask him again. It's important to get orientation and mobility skills for anyone with vision problems. Using the white cane is very important because it is an international symbol of those who have vision problems. Don't be afraid or ashamed to use it. It lets other people know that you're visually impaired, and there's no shame in asking for extra help. Whether you need help at the grocery store or getting on the bus or whatever it might be. If you need this bus to be lowered a little, don't be afraid to ask the bus driver. Some people with vision problems also have other disabilities like balance problems, hearing problems, and other things. I hope this presentation helped to show sighted people that people who are visually impaired can do lots of things independently. And I hope this helped those who are visually impaired or blind. You can do all the wonderful things that you want to do. Go to the park, go out with friends, go by yourself on an excursion downtown, or wherever you want to do. The sky's the limit. Have fun and don't forget. Have a nice day. Bye.